Okay, I bought this for my 2-year-old grandchild for Christmas. Way disappointed. After you get it put together, you have this back sheet here. Actually, if you can see this, it has like the refrigerator on it. Well, this here's the refrigerator. None of the toys that come with it fit inside the refrigerator where you can actually close the door. I mean, and it has sour sauce, soy sauce, hot sauce, one pepper, and another hot sauce. Nobody. Where's the salt and pepper? No salt and pepper. I mean, this thing's a very big disappointment. Nothing that came with it, none of the food fit inside the refrigerator. You can't shut the door on the refrigerator and keep anything in it. I mean, very, very big disappointment.
So I bought this from Amazon. And it was supposed to come with all of this. Plus what you see on here with the little faucet and everything. That's how you're supposed to build it. I did not receive my faucet, none of my stickers to go on here. I got 2 things of vegetables and no faucet. And none of my vegetables are open. I have no stickers but this one in here, and that's to go to the back. I did not receive most of my order.
I'm still putting it together, but look how many that is. No. That's for a 1-year-old, not a 4-year-old. I'm going to finish building it, but it's going to have to be for my 1-year-old. Because what? That's small.
No, that's all. And then Malachi.